Rahim. Mr. President, Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear mothers of Aulud. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is beauty of Islam. Dear audience, Islam is the religion of the truth. It is the embodiment. The God of life is Allah, the Creator, Lord of the universe, has needed for the goodness of mankind. For the proper development of human life, man needs to element. Either resource to maintain life and to fulfill the material needs of the individual society and be knowledge. Visual of the individual, social behavior to enable man to fulfill himself and to maintain justice and tranquility in human life. The Lord of the universe has provided for both of them information to create to the material instrument. He has put all of the nature's resource disposal to provide it for spiritual, social and cultural needs is the reset. Perfect for among men has revealed them the God of life that can guide men a step to the right. What else? This God of life is known. Islam is the preached Bible of the perfect of Allah. Islam is the Arabic word denotes submission, surrender and obedience to Allah. Islam is the called as a religion. Islam stands for complete submission and obedience. The other is the meaning of the word. Islam is peace. The self and one can achieve real peace of body and of man only through submission, surrender and obedience. Bring peace on the deen. Islam, dear friends, there is no doubt that except will continue to avail to future. I affirm that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is perfect. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.